In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gift wrap to your Amazon order. Whether you're sending a birthday present, holiday gift, or just a thoughtful surprise, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make your gift look perfect. First, open your Amazon app or website and go to the product page of the item you want to send as a gift. Once you're there, look for the Add to Cart button and click on it carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, go to your cart, and you'll see an option labeled, "This order contains a gift." Make sure the box is checked. If you're sending multiple items, you can select which one you want to be wrapped. This ensures the right product gets that special touch. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the product you choose is eligible for gift wrapping, and check that your shipping address is correct. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent any mix-ups. Once you've completed these steps, click Proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, scroll down to the gift options section. Here, you can choose gift wrapping and even add a personalized message for the recipient. After selecting your options, complete your order, and your product will be beautifully wrapped and ready to impress. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily add gift wrap to your Amazon order, making your gifts look thoughtful and polished. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.